विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू कवळेकर आणि ताजो भाव बाबल कवळेकराक मटक्याचे केशीत पुलीस सिरियस दिसना। फाटले फावट आयो विश्वेश करपेन कोर्टाक तोंडूच दाखयले ना म्हूण कोर्टान खरडपट्टी काढली। बुधवारा कवळेकराची अटकपूर्व जामिना आड ठोस दावो करतले जाल्यार पुलिसांनी एसीबी कडच्यान सारके डॉक्युमेंटूच हाडले ना। पुलिसांच्या आदोगादाचे ततपप पळोवन कोर्टान सुनावणी शुक्रारा दनपार मेरेन धुकल्ली। बाबू कवळेकार आणि ताचो भाव बेहिशेबी मालमत्तेचे केशींतल्यान सध्या मटक्याचे केशींत आडकल्यात। दोगांचे अटकपूर्व जामिनाक यत्न चल्ल्यात। सध्या दोगांकूय कोर्टान अंतरीम जामीन दिल्ल्यान पोलीस तांकां भितर वडोवंक शकनात। पूण पोलीस कोर्टा मुखार वागतात ते पळयल्यार बाबूक हुस्को करपाची गरज दिसना। बाबूच्या घरांतल्या ऑफिसांत मटक्याचे स्लिपींच्यो राशी मेळिल्ल्यो। उपरांत बाबून ते स्लिपी कडेन आपलो संबंद ना म्हूण सांगून भाव बाबलाक बोट दाखयलें। अटक जायत म्हूण दोगूय सध्या मडगांव कोर्टात अटकपूर्व जामिनाकय गेल्या। बुधवारा अर्ज कोर्टा मुखार आयलो आनी पोलिसांचे ततपप पळोवन जुईजान केस शुक्रारा धुकल्ली। मटक्याचे केशींत बाबूचो भाव बाबल कवळेकारय अटकपूर्व जामिनाक गेला। पुलिशेन बाबलाक बेठोच आडकयला म्हूण ताचो वकील सांगता।
I had argued on the last date of hearing that these premises to which locks were put by the ACB were not sealed. Neither the keys which they kept in their possession after locking these premises were sealed. Today the public prosecutor admitted in the open court that actually these locks were not sealed by them and these keys were also not sealed. Therefore this vindicates my submission on the last date that these premises could have been tampered with between the 16th and the 20th. See, the anti-corruption branch raided the premises on 16th and thereafter they informed the crime branch on 19th and the crime branch again searched the premises on 20th when they say they found this. So there's 4 days delay. There's no reason for this 4 days delay. They ought to have done this search immediately on the 16th itself or the 17th or 18th. So there is a delay in information. In the meantime, they had these locks, the keys of these locks which were not sealed, and therefore there is the possibility as an accused, I have to prove beyond doubt that there's a tampering which has taken place. I just have to show that there is a possibility of tampering, and which has already been sort of admitted that possibility is there, has been admitted by the prosecution.
चौकशी यंत्रणा सामकी कन्फ्यूज। धाडोन पिकोन केल्ले केशींत कांयच दम ना म्हूण कवळेकाराचो वकील सांगता।
I appear for the brother of Babu Kawalekar, Mr. Babal. I have claimed that the possession of the rooms were with me. Now they say, they allege that no, it is not with Babal, it was with Babu Kawalekar. Now when you say that it is not with Babal and it's Babu Kawalekar, how can you say that the custody of Babal Kawalekar is required? You have to choose between one of them. So they themselves are not certain about who they actually want in custody, whether Babal or Babu. And this itself shows the confused state of investigation.
कोर्टान केस शुक्रारा धुकल्ली। तो मेरेन दोगांकूय अंतरीम थाकाय लागू। दोगूय सध्या तरी भितर पडूंक शकनात। फाटले फावट आयो विश्वेश करपेन कोर्टाक तोंडूच दाखयले ना म्हूण कोर्टान खरडपट्टी काढली। बुधवारा कवळेकाराचे अटकपूर्व जामिना आड ठोस दावो करतले जाल्यार पुलिसांनी एसीबी कडच्यान सारके डॉक्युमेंटूच हाडले ना। पोलीस कोर्टा मुखार वागता ते पळयल्यार बाबूक हुस्को करपा सारकी परिस्थिती आसा अशी दिसना। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस। लास वेगासात कसिनो दहशतवादी हल्लो जाला तसो गोंयांतूय जावचो ना अशें म्हणूनच गोंयच्या कसिनोंनी सेक्युरिटी व्यवस्था खंय सारकी ना। कसिनोवाले ते बाबतीत सिरियस दिसना। सरकारान टुरिस्टांचो विचार करून थंयची सेक्युरिटी जाग्यार घालची म्हूण काँग्रेसीन विशय काढला। काँग्रेसीन इश्यू केल्या उपरांत खंय सरकाराच्यो वेबसायटी अपडेट जावंक लागल्यो म्हूण प्रदेश अध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक म्हणटा।
State government should look into this matter. The security of casinos here. We are opposed to casinos, no doubt, but people who go there, whether they are adequately secure or not, there is a doubt, and there is no way of checking these things. The owners of casino perhaps may not be interested in having any security for obvious reasons, but the government should intervene and see that the tourists who visit the casinos remain safe. In general, Goa has to look after review the security arrangements throughout, security, especially in the coastal areas. We can't know, anything can happen. And it is known fact that we are not secure enough to protect the state from any terrorist attack.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टराचे अपात्रताय प्रकरणाचेर हायकोर्टान निकाल 11 ऑक्टोबराक फुडें धुकल्ली. प्रकरण सभापती मुखार वतले म्हूण थारिल्ले जमा. हायकोर्टाचो रिमाक घेवन काँग्रेसीन अपात्रताय अर्ज सभापती मुखार व्हरपाचो ना जाल्यार याचिकेचो हायकोर्टानूच निकाल लावपाचो म्हूण कोर्टान काँग्रेसीक 2 पर्याय दिल्ले. फिर्यादी काँग्रेसीन हायकोर्टानूच निकाल दिवचो म्हूण खंडपीठाक सांगला. घेऊ एक ब्रेक.